I am Rashmi Savera. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about the guidelines for preparing seminar paper and research paper. So let's get into it. So firstly, what is seminar paper? A seminar paper, it is a short piece of writing and it can be done in at least one, 2 or to 3 pages, and it interprets the specific examples and evidence, and it focuses the topic very clearly. This is called a seminar paper. Next, what are the aims and structure of seminar paper? The aims are to systemize, to prove, to confirm, to point out the options for solving problems. These are the aims of seminar paper. Next, what are the structures of seminar papers? Firstly, the title, the abstract, the keywords, introduction, the text body, subject development, list of literature and list of attachment. These are the structure of seminar paper. Next, how does the seminar format has done? Firstly, the title. It should be in concise but also informative, and it should be defined correctly. It should show the subject of the paper. It should briefly point out the essence of the content. And what are the things to do before writing the seminar paper is fix a specific topic, specify the structure. The dimensions of the seminar report should be in the A4 size with abstract, introduction, content and conclusion. These are the format of seminar paper, and these are the things to be done before writing the seminar paper. And next is research paper. What is research paper? It is a piece of academic writing which provides analysis, interpretation and argument based in depth, independent research. And it requires a research you to demonstrate knowledge of your topic and engage with a variety of sources. This is called as research paper. And what are the 7 parts of research paper? The first is abstract, introduction, review of literature, research of literature, findings and analysis, discussions, limitations, future scope and references. These are the 7 parts of research paper. And what is the procedure of writing your research paper is, first stick to the outline of the paper. Indicate any sources used in the direct or indirect quotations. Show that you are working already on academic part. First is the title page. The second is the table of contents, which should include the page numbers also. The first is the introduction. Give an explanation about the topic you are trying to prove in your research paper. And the next is the main part, and the final is the conclusion. These are the steps for writing your research paper. And what is the main part and the paragraph structure is, it should be in a full contain relevant topic. It should be with the topic, idea and argument. It should be in 5 to 7 sentences. One ideal paragraph contains a topic sentence, supporting sentence and a concluding sentence. And what is the conclusion of the research paper? How the conclusion of the research paper should be is, it should summarize the most important results of your discussion. It should tell your reader once again, mentioning the central issues of your paper, and it should answer the questions raised in your thesis statement. This is the conclusion of the research paper. This is what the conclusion of the research paper should be. And what are the basic forms for print sources is, book by a single author, 2 or more work by same author, anthology collection, article in a magazine or newspaper, article in a journal, and the last is the translation. These are the basic forms for the print resources for the research paper. This is what the research paper means. What are the good research paper and the types are? The essential types are argumentative and analytical. And the main 4 types are compare and a construct paper, cause and effective paper, interpretive paper, experimental research paper. These are the good research paper and their important 4 types. What are the do's and don'ts of a research paper? The do's are present relevant background or contextual material, and you should explain the focus of the paper and purpose, and you should define the terms and concepts of your research paper and reveal your plan of your research. These are the don'ts of the research paper. What are the do's of the research paper? And what are the don'ts are, avoid presenting results of your analysis in intro and avoid giving irrelevant information, avoid giving endless information of the author, avoid giving summaries. These are the don'ts of the research paper. These all about the research paper. Thank you. Thank you for the patient listening.